Wash your hands and social distancing, two pleas we've heard from health officials since the early days of the pandemic.
But now with COVID hospitalizations and cases on the rise, especially here in Texas, people are asking, how do we really slow the spread? Our Jarrell Baker tells us more.
When the pandemic started, we heard it again and again.
Stay safe out there. Everybody mask up, wash your hands.
Along with social distancing guidelines and some restrictions, the spread of the pandemic slowed down. But now, cases in our area are skyrocketing.
We have had some days where it's spiked really high, and usually that's early in the week.
Hospital numbers are spiking in Central Texas. McLennan County has a 19% hospitalization rate, forcing businesses to reduce capacity. Bell County locals are wondering what comes next from health officials and county leaders.
They need to set the example. They need to say, hey, we need to stop, as much, contact, but we also can't lose, our American values. We can't sacrifice freedom. We can't be forcing people to stay in.
Some believe more testing could help, but local health officials don't believe that's the answer.
It can take 7 to 10 days from exposure to actually test positive for the virus. So unless you're getting tested every single day, that's not going to be much help to you.
With holidays coming up, no plans to add local restrictions, and no time frame for COVID-19 vaccines, local health officials are asking people to avoid gathering altogether.
It is easy to want to take off that mask and have a face-to-face conversation with someone because it's counterintuitive to how we work, but it's important so that we can prevent the spread.
I sympathize, I really do, but it's better to just wait it out and save that energy for later after we've been able to get the vaccine and things start to return to some semblance of normal again.
In Bell County, Jarrell Baker, 25 News.
Jarrell, thank you. Right now in Texas, there are well over 1.1 million total cases of COVID-19. Of those, about 188,000 are active. Today, the Lone Star State saw more than 15,000 new cases.